It's a vibe, it's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe, it's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe, it's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe, it's a hop in the ride, just suicide, yeah, yeah. Slow it down, dirty spray, yeah, yeah, yeah. My bitch don't kill me.
Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a review on this blonde wig. Oh my gosh, y'all, I did use some purple shampoo and conditioner, I think it's Shimmer Light, to tone this hair a little bit. But y'all, this color it's looking pretty. It's like a little lighter than me. I like that it's not too like golden. It's a little bit more ashy. So I'm gonna see if I can pull this off. I don't know if I could but we will try. You know me, this year I want to try new colors. I don't know if I'm gonna cut this in a short little cute little bob like this. I don't know, y'all. This is like, it's like a 22 inch 24 inch, so we're gonna see what we can do with this hair. I did pluck it and I did bleach the knots because, girl, I want to just see how I can slay. I want to get creative this year, so sorry about my hand. I'm gonna just cut some of this lace off because it's too far down. I can't see what's going on. But I did pluck this unit. I like this color on me. I didn't think I would, but I do like this color on me. Yeah. So I have my hot comb. The hair is still a little damp, but I like the highlights in this unit. Y'all see the highlights? I feel like it makes me look really cute. I'm just gonna hot comb it a little bit so I can see what's going on with this hairline. Let me know what other colors y'all want to see me try. I want to try like this dark burgundy color, like this really deep burgundy color, and I also want to try kind of like a blue black color, so like really black that it kind of pulls blue a little bit. So all the flyaways is out. I'm gonna play some music for y'all and just do my hair, and I'll be back.
You do to me, between me and you, I feel chemistry. Won't let no one come and take your place, cause the love you give can't be replaced. See, no one else loves me like you do. That's why I don't mind spending my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give a really good feeling all day long. Your love is a one in a million. You give a really good feeling. My heart speed, don't want no one else. You're all I need. Personality and everything you do.
Guys, so I did some really messy curls. Not the best of curls, but I'll recurl it once I get my shape right. I just like, I don't like my curls to be so perfect anyway. We're gonna get an eyebrow ultra. I love these things. I got a fresh one. So we're gonna cut some layers in this hair to give it more of a luxurious look. hair is kind of longer than, I don't know. I'm gonna cut it, y'all. I'm cutting it. I just think when it's cut, it just look more classy. So I'm gonna cut it. I think I want to cut it like right here.
You do to me, between me and you, I feel chemistry. Won't let no one come and take your place, cause the love you give can't be replaced.
Guys, I want to go ahead and finish out this video with this hair. I just took some content and I really love it. I'll insert the content right here, but this blonde honey unit is definitely here to stay. I love the way it looks. So cute, so cute. So check them out. I'll leave the link down below for you guys. So check them out. I'll leave them down below for you guys. This unit is from Incolor Hair. I think that's how you pronounce it. But I'll leave all the links to this unit down below in the description box. Bye guys.
Don't want no one else, you're all I need. Personality and everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so